Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will make a video about how to not be lazy and how to be more productive. This video actually a motivation for me because sometimes I'm manifesting to be productive, and this video will be a reminder for me because I always procrastinating a task and that's just running in a circle, and I just want to be more productive by doing this video. So the hope is when I already finish this video, I will start to remind of each per words that I'm just saying, and I will be productive. And I hope this video is work to you. So the first one is, I think nobody will cares if you are lazy, because seriously, lazy people are the forgotten ones. Lazy people are the ones who sit on the sidelines and do nothing with their lives. Life is unfair to everyone, and people move on with their life. And if you are able to be lazy, I think that's a privilege, but it's not a right. For example, I have some friend who, when he was growing up, he always constantly complaining to their life or drunk and waste his life away because they are sad and couldn't accomplish some purpose in their life and not doing anything because of their failure. Meanwhile, some of my friend was not a child that having a privilege, and they have no luxury of being lazy, and they didn't have the option to play the victim. And sometimes I always imagine that survival mode doesn't allow for laziness. I think my friend that's suffering in survival life, they do not have the option for be lazy. And people who need to survive, whether they are trying to losing weight, gaining weight, make a change in their life, or maybe feed their family, putting food on the table, they do not have the option to be lazy. If some people saying, I'm lazy and I'm not doing anything, I think it's just because you are privileged. And if you have the option to be lazy, you are speaking from a place of privilege, and this conversation will not continue. And the second, you have to create and stick to the routines. I think as a human, we all need routines. We require structure in our life. For example, I have a standard morning routines, a standard night routines, and a plan for the whole week. And I know when I'm going to run an exercise, when I try to doing my tasks outside my job or maybe my primary job, and when I'm creating content like this and so on. Sometimes I'm not sticking to my routines, but I always have to a base and come back to my base when I get off the track. And most of you have no routines and leave everything up in the air. And I think we do not work like that. You need a structure in your life so your life will be a more planned, I think. And the third, you have to remind yourself of your long run vision. I think everyone has a vision, and if you are feeling lost or stuck, I think you have to remind why you start to that goal in the first place. Why did you set the goal? And if you do not want it anymore, I think it's fine. Do something else. But if you still want it, remember your reason for starting. Stop telling yourself you are just lazy. If you are repeating that to yourself, that's how you will act. Stop using that as an excuse. And you have the potential to do anything you want in your life. Your father worked hard just for you to say you are lazy. Some of you are not privileged enough, I know. And your parents worked hard to give you the best life possible. Yet you still here sit saying you are too lazy to work out for it. Are you are not embarrassed of how your parents seeking for money? I always believe that I can literally change my reality in an instant. Right now, if I want to be overlooked by everyone, I could stop taking care of myself, eat whatever I want, and within a month, I'd be invisible to everyone. You can change your reality quickly if you start acting like the person you want to become. And the fourth, you have to stop using feelings as your excuse. Feelings are not always accurate. If we act on every emotion, everyone will just hurt each other. If you are feeling like you will never get over a heartbreak, that's just your emotion talking. You will get through it. Feel your emotion, let them out, but do not let them dictate your action. And also do not let your feelings make you stop to doing something. Meanwhile, you already know that your vision can be supported if you keep doing that things, because feelings, I think, is something that you always able to not hearing of them and stick to your logic. And the last, I think too much information can make you lazy. Seriously, I think when I see to my little brother, like, he always scrolling TikTok, he always constantly scrolling on social media, trying to keep up with the latest trends or diets. I think that will drain your energy. Consume with other people opinion that you forget to focus on your life. If you spend your day on scrolling TikTok, you will feel drained and unproductive. And that's work for me, because when I always scrolling TikTok, when I always doing something like, oh, scrolling TikTok, I find something funny in Instagram or maybe in a Twitter or maybe in a TikTok, I think I will not doing anything, and clock just showing that this is in the middle of the night and I have to sleep because I have to go to work. From that moment, I decide to, I think I should delete TikTok on my phone, so I'm not trying to open my TikTok, because that's make me unproductive enough. It's important to limit distraction and focus on what truly matters. You have control over your action and your mindset. You have to create a vision of yourself and work towards the vision every day. Do not let others' opinion dictate your life, and please stop to focus on something that not give you the benefit for your future. I think that's all from my video. I hope from this video you will get something from me, and I hope I can always remind of what I'm saying tonight. And see you on the next video. Thank you.